In this video, I'm going to explain about if statement in Python. Hello everyone, my name is Damario Sujono. I'm a full-time data analyst and content creator. Welcome to my tutorial about Python for beginners. And in this video, I want to explain a little bit about if statement. So in Python, an if statement is used to make decision in your code. It allows you to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is met. The basic syntax of an if statement is as follows. Okay, now I jump into Visual Studio. So let's say I want to declare a variable called x is equal to 10. And I want to create a certain condition. So if x is greater than 5, then I want to print x is greater than 5. So as you can see in the code, if statement, you start with the if keyword followed by a space, and then after if keyword you provide a condition. So x is greater than 5, and then this is also important. You need to put at the end of that line a colon there, so that indicates that the statement is end. And then if so, the Python will execute if this condition is met. If x is greater than 5, it will process the next statement, like that, x is greater than 5. So if I run the program, yeah, like that, x is greater than 5. Okay, in this script, we will create a simple program on what I want to say. So in this script, we will create a simple program that checks if a user's age is above a certain threshold and provide a different message based on the result. First, let me remove all of them. Okay, I want to create a comment first, so we know Python statement, for example. And then first I want to ask their age. Okay, their age. So the way we do that, as you may know, is I want to declare a variable. Let's say user age is equal to input. Please enter your age. Okay, and then let's then we define a threshold variable which represent the minimum age required for certain activities. Let's say define the age threshold. I want to say, let's say age threshold is equal to I want to say 18. Let's say and then after that we use an if statement to check whether the user age is greater than or equal to the age threshold. And then I want to say, like, if this condition is met, then the program will print a message indicating that the user is old enough to, let's say, to elect a president. Otherwise it will print a message indicating that the user is not old enough. And how we create that? Let's say first I want to create a comment, say check if user age is above the threshold, and then comes the if statement. If space, we need to define the variable user age. User age is equal or greater or equal to age threshold, colon. Then we press enter. I want to print you are old enough to vote president of Republic of Indonesia. And then if it's not, then I would say else. This is also very important to make sure that else, and then follow with colon, print, bracket, you are not old enough to vote a president of Indonesia. Go back to your home. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's run this program and see how it looks like. Please enter your age. I would say 15. Oops, there's an error. Let's see how its error looks. So type of error not supported between instances of string and integer. All right. Do you know why? This is because you see when user put the age, this is considered as a string because input is always considered as a string. And then to convert string to integer, we need to put int, open bracket and close bracket here to make sure that that string, even though it's number, it's still a string. We convert that into an integer. Then if I run again the program, let's see how it looks like. Let's say 15. Oh no, you are not old enough to vote a president of Indonesia. And then if I say 17, you are not old enough. Okay, oh sorry, let's do it again. Say 19. You are old enough to vote a president of Indonesia. Alright, so this is basically how if statement works in Python. Okay, you can play around with this one, but for my personal opinion, if statement is one of the important, let's say, function or knowledge that I think every programmer should know, because it's if we write a code, we always create a condition. If this is true, then do that. If it's not true, then do this. So, and then if statement here is really helpful to construct those logic, so to say. Yeah, I mean, like, if you have any example, feel free to write in the comment, and it also help for me to learn. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And then, yeah, if you like this video, make sure to click like. If you find this helpful, that really means a lot to me. If you have any question, let's put a comment. I will answer it. And then, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.